Our next guest, Nomadics Tipi Makers, is the largest maker of Native American Indian teepees in the world. The company began as a cultural and lifestyle education project in 1970 and has continued that focus for over 42 years of teepee making. They create a Sioux-style teepee design, and they actually made all of the teepees seen in the movie Dances with Wolves. That's pretty cool. Besides shipping to individuals, campgrounds, and retreat centers across the U.S. of A., they sell their teepees to people all over the world. The company's teepees are authentic replicas of the traditional Sioux three-pole teepee design and are designed to be used as a four-season dwelling for year-round living or occasional use as a gathering place or a personal meditation space. Their teepees are made of the heaviest 100% cotton army duck canvas available on the market today, which is treated to resist year-round weather conditions. The teepee package also comes with hand-peeled lodge pole, pine teepee poles, and very explicit, easy-to-understand setup instructions. They offer their teepee canvas in white or tan, making them the only teepee company that actually offers tan canvas. And Nomadics Tipi Makers will personally customize your new teepee just for you. They have very talented staff artists that can paint anything from your favorite animal, your dream interpretation, landscape murals, or your oversized company logo on your teepee. They've also painted fairies, dragons, and cartoon figurines on kids' teepees, which makes for an exceptional Christmas gift idea from grandparents and parents alike. On today's show, Nomadics Tipi Makers is featuring their Native American full-size adult teepees as well as their 8-foot kids' teepees. The 8-foot kids teepee package is the perfect gift idea for kids this holiday season. Your kids are going to absolutely love it. It comes complete with everything you need, including the poles for only $240 plus shipping and handling. Wow! Now moving on, their authentic replica Sioux-style teepees range from 12-foot diameter to 26-foot diameter, with package price ranging from $870 to about $3,000, including the poles. Their most popular size is the 18-foot, 15-ounce package, which unpainted costs only $1,532 plus shipping. And the company guarantees their workmanship for the life of the teepee. This is the ultimate unique gift idea for you, your friends, your family this holiday season. So, for all of you teepee enthusiasts out there, we encourage you to call Nomadics Tipi Makers at 541-389-3980 and ask them any questions you may have. The company's manager has been there for over 20 years and has lived in a teepee for 4 years himself, and he's always happy to answer questions and offer suggestions. You can check out their amazing teepees on their website at www.tipi.com. T-I-P-I is the Native American spelling. And even if you're undecided, definitely call them and talk to them. They can help you determine what the right size and material is for you. Once again, their number is 541-389-3980. Be sure to call them today.